Welcome to Kiddo Academy.
It's time to wake up.
It's time to wake up.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth. Comb your hair.
Comb your hair. Put on your clothes.
Put on your clothes. Finish your milk. It's good for your health.
Finish your milk. It's good for your health.
Eat vegetables. They're good for you.
Eat vegetables. They're good for you.
Please pick up your toys.
Please pick up your toys.
Don't forget to flush.
Don't forget to flush.
Take your candy.
Take your candy.
Put on your shoes. Cover your mouth when you cough.
Cover your mouth when you cough.
Wear your hat, please.
Wear your hat, please.
Don't pull my hair.
Don't pull my hair.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Please take your medicine.
Please take your medicine.
No snacks before dinner.
No snacks before dinner.
Try again to complete.
Try again to complete.
This gift for you.
This gift for you. Please keep quiet.
Please keep quiet.
Do your best in exams.
Do your best in exams.
Be careful while walking.
Be careful while walking.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Don't play with your food.
Don't play with your food. Let's play together.
Let's play together.
Keep your seatbelt on.
Keep your seatbelt on.
How did you get hurt?
How did you get hurt?
Come here.
Come here.
Does it fit you or it is too big?
Does it fit you or it is too big?
You need to eat more.
You need to eat more.
Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Don't tease the dog.
Don't tease the dog.
It's time for your bath.
It's time for your bath. Let me teach you.
Let me teach you.